Welcome to this Windows channel, and we couldn't put a title to this video as I'm back, or today was I'll be back, and tonight is I'm back, the return of my main PC. So of course I had a glitch yesterday with the latest cumulative update 17. 134.81, that cumulative update that we had yesterday, pretty much made my PC unbootable. So what I did, I simply thought, okay, I could use System Restore within the settings and configuration, go back in time. But I thought if I do that, then I'll be back in time with that update wanting to install again and probably doing the same problem. And there was this little annoying glitch at the startup when my PC was kind of starting up. There was this delay that I kind of made me a little, I was every time I would see it, I was kind of a little mad. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let's clean install. So I did a clean install. I installed, so I put it on a USB thumb drive, and I completely clean installed, erased everything on the hard drive. We're starting from scratch like a new PC. Then it reinstalled all the different little drivers and stuff it needed by itself, and the cumulative update came, and it worked fine. So I'm on 17.134.81. You see it here. Works perfectly. Of course, I got some software to reinstall, so every time I was doing things, oh yeah, I need OBS Studio for screen recording. Oh yeah, I need DOM Pod Player to view the videos. Oh, I'll need Office. Obviously, I haven't installed it yet. So we're reinstalling the software slowly. But I'm happy to actually have a clean install. I wanted to do one, and that kind of really forced me to do it. I did take a little, I did go out and have a little fun in the sunshine because at some point I had enough early afternoon today with my PC not working, and I was like, just okay, the hell with it. I wanna take some sunshine and some fresh air, and which was fun. I went down most of the afternoon next to the river and took a walk in the woods. It was kind of fun. And today and tonight I'm more kind of refreshed, and of course installed Windows 10, which is now working on my main PC as you see here, and happy to be back. So of course more video coming up, and I'll have the review of 17677. I am hoping later tonight, so let's cross our fingers for that, and hope you enjoy my videos. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.